Hello, everyone, and welcome in. You guys, today I want to show you why it is important that we are cleaning our personal identifying information from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And our personal identifying information, you guys, that's going to be like our names, addresses, phone numbers, okay, employers, things like that, our personal information, okay? Now, this is going to be an example from Experian, and this is the best example that I can provide for you guys, okay? Now, as you can see, here it has names. You can see the names, addresses, and the year of birth, okay? If you look at name and you look to the side of name, you will see where it says name identification number, okay? And then they have a number right there. And then if you look at addresses, you can see next to addresses, it says address identification number, okay? Now, you guys, these numbers are important because these numbers are actually tied to accounts on our credit report, okay? Sometimes if we have either one of these numbers tied to an account on our credit report, it's hard to get that item removed from our credit reports, okay? So that's why it is important that we are cleaning our personal information up, especially if you are in the dispute process trying to clean up your credit reports. And it does help you to get better results when you are disputing, okay? Now, it also, you guys, it helps you to look less risky when you apply for something, okay? Say if you're applying for a car or a house and a lender pulls your credit and they see, 4 or 5 different addresses reporting on your credit report, all different addresses, you're going to look risky. You're going to look irresponsible. It's going to look like, oh, you move around a lot. And that could cause you to get denied. So we want to always make sure we only have one name reporting on our credit bureau, on our credit reports. We only need one address reporting, and that is our current address. I don't care if you've lived at that address in the past or not. We only need our current address where we can receive mail from the United States Post Office reporting on our credit reports, okay? Now, remember what I told you guys about the identification numbers, okay? I'm going to show you an account here. You can see this account here. This is an Affirm account that is on this person's credit report, okay? And you can see it has an address identification number here. I want you to check out at least the last 4 digits. You see it says 0469. You come over here and we go back to addresses and we look under address identification number. You see where it says 0469. It is extremely hard to get this account removed, okay? It will be extremely hard because it is tied to some of your personal information. So you would want to try to, you can dispute the item before you get the personal information removed or before you get that address removed. But if you're having a difficult time getting that address removed, I would dispute that address every month along with disputing the account. Now, if you need help on knowing exactly how to remove personal information from your credit reports, check out my videos. I have videos created on how to clean up your personal information from Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, okay? So, you guys, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. And you can join my school community, you guys. It is now getting ready to launch, and I am accepting new members. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time.